Hi everybody! It is finally happening. It is almost Christmas and I have an excellent idea. If you're looking for a quick and easy gathering idea, this is it. We're going to make a hot chocolate station. You can call it a hot chocolate station, a hot chocolate bar, and I've heard it called hot chocolate charcuterie, but I don't believe this is a charcuterie you're thinking of. So we're going to go with hot chocolate station. And it is perfect for gatherings at the last minute or Christmas Eve or Christmas morning. Adults and children love this idea. So what we're going to do is create a station for making hot chocolate. Now, how cute is that? And it just screams Christmas. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you're going to need, of course, is hot chocolate. So if you have a favorite hot chocolate recipe that you can mix up and keep in a slow cooker, that would be great. It would keep it warm for a long time. However, I will either use these individual packets of Swiss Miss hot chocolate, which is quick and easy, just have boiling water, or I'm going to use my Keurig and use these individual pods of Swiss Miss hot chocolate, and they are delicious. They taste exactly like these instant hot chocolate packets, and since I don't have that special family recipe for hot chocolate, that's as close as we're going to get. But what's going to make it special is the toppings for your hot chocolate. And you can't make hot chocolate and not have marshmallows. Now these packets have marshmallows, but if you've ever used them, you know they're tiny little marshmallows. Well, this is the marshmallows you need. You need these enormous marshmallows. So when they melt, you can really tell you have marshmallow in your hot chocolate. So what we're going to do is place marshmallows on the platter. Now I'm using a pewter platter you can use a cutting board. You can use a glass tray. Whatever you have available will work just fine. And you can even go to places that have party goods and buy plastic Christmas trays, and that's wonderful too, because then you can toss out whatever you don't need. I have a huge stack of ideas for us to use on our hot chocolate station, but you don't have to use all of them. And the great part about this is when you go to the grocery, you're running errands, you can pick up most of these things just about any place. Have them in your pantry and you are good to go. You may not be making a hot chocolate station, you might just need them around the house anyway for the holidays. So we're going to put them to use. And you know you have seen candy canes at every cash register you've checked out of in the last month. So these are easy to find. And we're going to add these, and what I will do is open the box, and I don't know how many are in this box, but I didn't give much at all for them. You know, they're not really expensive. They're 20 candy canes. And so we're going to have 20 candy canes, and I don't want to just scatter these on the platter. I want to add some height to this platter. So I'm going to use probably this glass. Let's see how this works. I have a collection of ruby glass, and some of it's true ruby, some of it's just red glass, but I have a collection and none of it matches. And if you'll remember, I made a video about all of this and how to set up a table for Christmas morning. So I will add that video at the end of this one, so you can click into that and maybe get some ideas for future Christmases. So let's put the candy canes in this. Is this too tall? I don't know. I have several glasses I could use. I didn't want to use a flower vase. I thought about that and thought that might be too obvious, but this tall glass might do the trick. And I think all 20 of these are going to fit. So we have added height to our platter. that. That looks really nice. So now we have our marshmallows and our candy canes. So Christmassy. Let's add, how about gingerbread men cookies? Now, you know, you want to have cookies during the Christmas holidays. I found these gingerbread cookies pre-made in the grocery, and I wanted to have them around the house anyway, so why not add these to our hot chocolate station? And they're so cute. These are so irresistible. And I'm going to also add, let's move those this way, clean up our mess. And how about these Pepperidge Farm Milano milk chocolate cookies? You know, you can't go wrong with that. And I'm going to add these to this side of our station. Now, when my daughter was younger, I would host cookie exchanges, and we would make fresh homemade cookies. And if you are a baker, use your favorite recipe for this station. But when I would host the cookie exchanges, I don't know if you've ever done one, but say, for instance, you invite 10 guests. Well, all those guests bring 10 dozen cookies with them. 1 dozen for each guest that's coming. And then you display all of the cookies, and hopefully they have brought the recipe for that cookie, because if it's a great one, you want their recipe. But when the guests leave the party, they will each pick up a different dozen out of each stack of those 10 stacks of cookies, and they go home with 10 dozen different cookies. And it is the best idea for Christmas. Perfect idea for a party. No one can resist 10 dozen cookies. Now let's add some caramels. Let's use a bowl, and we'll balance out the color on the platter and move our little gingerbread men right there. I have found caramel creams, and these are yummy. If you don't want to add it to your hot chocolate, you can just taste it on the side. That looks great. Add a couple more. There. Wonderful. Now we're getting someplace. We have all kinds of great treats for everybody. How about our cute snowmen? I actually found these at the pharmacy. They were in the checkout, and I thought they were adorable. So we're going to place these on our hot chocolate station, and they are in there. They're stuck. Now, how about some milk chocolate truffles? Oh, so good. I'm going to add these, just like you would for a charcuterie tray. You're going to just have something for everyone to nibble. Look at this. Now, this is not just for children. You would be surprised how many adults would love this. Now, let's add some Hershey's milk chocolate bars, and these are the snack size. I'm going to add these to this side and just load it up. If you want extra chocolatey hot chocolate, drop one of these in your mug. This is going to be overflowing. And last but certainly not least, our Hershey's Kisses. And of course you want to get them in Christmas colors. And we're just going to add these wherever we need a touch of color or fill in your tray. And then your guests can come by, and if they don't leave your house with Christmas spirit, there's no getting to them. And finally, for those coconut lovers, those who like to sprinkle a bit of coconut on your hot chocolate, delicious, try it. You'll love it. I'm going to add sweetened coconut that looks like snow, and we're going to have that right here. Oh, is it going to fit? Yes. Great. Add a spoon. These little Dimetaff spoons come in so handy. And there you go. Christmas spirit on a platter. Isn't that cute and Christmassy? The elves will be so proud of you. Now, isn't that Christmas on a platter? Oh my gosh, delicious. No one is going to be able to resist this. You might have one little Grinch in the bunch, but I guarantee you they're going to come by and pick up something. So grab your holiday mug full of hot chocolate and enjoy all the toppings for your hot chocolate. And then get a plate on the side for all those things you want to nibble. And I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please tap the subscribe button. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram. Merry Christmas.